Geoffrey Chaucer's The Canterbury Tales is one of the most celebrated works in English literature. Written in the late 14th century, it presents a vivid and entertaining portrayal of medieval English society through a collection of stories told by a diverse group of pilgrims. These pilgrims are traveling from London to Canterbury to visit the shrine of Saint Thomas Becket, a famous martyr. To pass the time along their journey, they agree to take part in a storytelling contest, each sharing a tale that reflects their personality, beliefs, and experiences. The group of pilgrims includes people from different social classes and professions. There is the noble and honorable knight, the flirtatious and independent wife of Bath, the deceitful pardoner, the bawdy and humorous miller, and many others. Each of them brings their own unique perspective, making the Canterbury Tales a rich and diverse collection of narratives. Some of the tales are serious and moral, such as the Knight's Tale, which speaks of chivalry and romance. Others, like the Miller's Tale, are humorous and filled with satire. The Pardoner's Tale offers a lesson on greed and hypocrisy, while the Wife of Bath's Tale explores themes of power and gender in marriage. One of Chaucer's greatest achievements in the Canterbury Tales is his ability to capture the essence of medieval life. Through humor, irony, and keen observation, he highlights both the virtues and the flaws of different social classes. The work serves as a social commentary, exposing the corruption within the Church, the contradictions in chivalry, and the everyday struggles of common people. Chaucer wrote in Middle English, making his work accessible to a wide audience rather than limiting it to Latin or French, which were commonly used in literature at the time. Although Chaucer never completed all the tales he originally planned, the Canterbury Tales remains a masterpiece that has influenced literature for centuries. It is not just a collection of stories, but a reflection of human nature, our ambitions, follies, virtues, and vices. With its engaging characters, diverse themes, and timeless humor, the work continues to be studied and enjoyed by readers around the world.